The elephant and the rope story is a metaphorical tale about how limiting beliefs and conditioning can hold us back from reaching our full potential. In the story, a man comes across an elephant that is tied to a small rope. Despite the fact that the elephant could easily break free from the rope, it does not even try to do so. The man is curious and asks the trainer nearby why the elephant doesn't attempt to break free. The trainer explains that when the elephant was young, it was tied to the same rope and was not strong enough to break free. As a result, the elephant became conditioned to believe that it was not capable of breaking the rope, even though it could do so easily as an adult. The story is often used as a metaphor for how our own beliefs and conditioning can hold us back from achieving our full potential. Just like the elephant, we can become so conditioned to our own limitations that we may not even try to break free from them. The lesson of the elephant and the rope is to recognize the limiting beliefs and conditioning that hold us back and to challenge them in order to achieve our full potential.